Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check store availability for specific items on the Bershka application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store and download the Bershka app. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we can go and see how to do that in no time. Now guys, when we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here we have the, as you can see, home screen where all of the promotions and new things are out. So basically this is a place where they put all of their stuff, new stuff here, so that they promote that on the home screen. Also, we have the search bar where we can type anything that we want to buy. So jackets, dresses, whatever you want. You can see some things that you might be interested in, and you can see the most searched things that people most search for. We have the menu, where we have the women menu, the men menu, and the teen menu. And you can go through these menus and see clothes. So clothes, shoes, accessories, customizations, etc. And also we have the basket, which is at the moment empty for me. But guys, be sure when you have something, it will appear here in the basket. Of course, if you have some favorites, it will be in the top right corner. Also, we have the your profile where you can see your purchases, personal details and addresses, inbox, contacts, settings, and the logout options. But now guys, let's see how to check store availability for specific items on the Bershka application. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So you need to go to the search bar and click on an item that you want. So for instance, this crop jacket, and you just need to go and pull this menu down here and see in-store availability as the second option here. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye guys.